Hi, it's Len from HLP Controls, and we just wanted to give you this short video just to show people how to use some of our infrared thermometers for checking people for fevers and temperatures. Areas like when you're coming into work and you want to make sure that the guys are all okay. This is a good opportunity to give them a quick check. So what an infrared thermometer does is it just measures the temperature that you're showing at that moment. So pretty much all infrared thermometers are very similar. The pure medical units have a very narrow range. They might only measure from, say, 30 degrees to 42 degrees, and that will give you that range where people are expressing fevers or normal medical temperatures of people. Whereas if you use a normal infrared, like the infrareds that we use for measuring food temperatures or fridge temperatures or any sort of temperature, you can use them. They measure exactly the same thing as the medical infrared temperatures. The only difference is that the medical infrared temperatures, because they've got that narrow range, also have a fudge factor, if you like, where they'll measure the outside temperature of your forehead and they'll correlate that to the internal temperature of your body. And they do that by approximately adding 3 to 4 degrees, so depending on the temperature. So there's a lot of data out there, and we provide an information sheet with the units that we supply. And we supply general purpose units, and these are units that you can use for anything. So you can use them for fever testing of employees or yourself, or you can use them for doing all your normal temperatures. So measuring temperature is very straightforward. So we've got a typical unit that we use here. This one's just a typical unit that we use for food and fridges and everything else. Simple one button push. The advantage of this unit is that it actually doesn't have a laser pointer you've often seen on the infrared guns. This one just has a light. So to use it, you just put it in front of you, push the scan button, and you look at the temperature, and that temperature says 32.6. So for me, that's normal. If I had a reading on my forehead of 36 or above, then that would show that I have a fever. And I'll be running an internal temperature of 39 or 40. So that's how it works. It's as simple as that. It's very quick. Point the light, get 100 millimeters away, take the temperature, 32.6, fine. So don't forget, 36 when you're using a normal infrared is the temperature you look for a fever. If you're using a dedicated medical forehead thermometer, they actually add the 3 or 4 degrees for you on the display. So then, if 36 would be equal to 39 or 40. So again, from HLP Controls, that's just how to use a normal infrared thermometer, as long as you've got a good quality accurate one that you can use for testing fever of personnel or people when they're coming into your premises or your office or even your kitchens. Call us if you have any questions whatsoever. Our phone number is 1-800-500-160. Thanks.